This is the 2002 Sea Ray 182 bow rider that we have listed on consignment. This boat comes with a trailer as well as a bimini top. The trailer does have a swing tongue. It does have covers, but they need a little work because they have some rips, tears in them. Single axle trailer. Does have a stainless prop on it. Does have trailer tie downs. Does have a ladder in the back as well as a tube tow. Some of the decals are peeling up on it. Let's hop up into the boat and take a peek at what the interior has to offer. Up in the bow, you do have seats with storage underneath of them. You have an anchor locker up front. Grab handles throughout. You do have your standard dash here with your fuel, volts, miles per hour, trim, RPMs, oil pressure, and temp gauges. You do have a couple toggle switches. This is your stereo. Passenger's chair. Captain's chair. Full rear bench and sun pad. Does have a 4.3 liter cruiser engine. And a nice little deck on the back. This is the Sea Ray 182 bow rider. This is 18 foot with a 4.3. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to James at SkipperBud's in Madison. Thank you.